Hey everybody, Josh from Josh's Smart Home here. If you've been following the channel for any amount of time, you know I'm always looking at cutting edge technology, always looking for local technology and things that do more than one activity or function within our smart home. So today I'm going to be talking about something that consolidates functions, provides local control, and looks excellent in our homes, passing the wife acceptance factor. This is the new Aqara Thermostat Hub W200. And to call this thing a thermostat is certainly selling it short. It's a Matter hub and a security panel. And for our Apple users out there, it's one of the first devices to take advantage of the iOS 26 energy features. So this is cutting edge. Welcome back to Josh's Smart Home, where I've been building out my smart home for about 10 years now, and I want to share with you what I've learned along the way to make your home smarter too. Special thanks to Aqara for sending this demo item out to me free of charge, but you are seeing my fair and honest review, and they're not reviewing any of this content ahead of time, so let's get to it. We're going to start with an unboxing. So right away we have wiring labels and instructions right inside the box, as well as a plate that goes behind your unit so it looks nice on the wall, even if you have some other holes that are a little bit larger than this unit. And then we have the mount and the mounting hardware. And last but not least, this sleek, beautiful unit. It's just under 4 inches tall, just under 4 inches wide, and just under an inch thick. So it looks really nice. I can't wait to get this installed on my wall. Before you start wiring this up, make sure you check your system. The W200 is set for low voltage systems, so 24 volt systems. That would be like furnaces, heat pumps, air conditioners, that type of thing. If you have a high voltage system like a 110, 120, or 240 volt system, this isn't for you. If you have things that are marked water 1, 2, 3, 4, this is not the correct thermostat for you. So make sure you're using the right thermostat for your installation. Let's talk briefly about some specs. The resolution on this is 480 by 480, so that's really high resolution on what most would just call a thermostat. Plus, it has temperature, humidity, and presence sensor right on the device. This thing has Wi-Fi, so it's 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and that can be utilized for Matter, but it also has Zigbee, Thread, and Bluetooth right on the device. So a lot of protocols, a lot of options for connecting this. You can see right on the front of the box, lots of options for smart home platforms to choose as your system of choice. And last but not least, this can act as your hub, so it can connect other Aqara devices or Matter devices. So that's a pretty cool item. It can be your thermostat hub if that's what you're going for, if you don't want to utilize Home Assistant or any of the other brands of smart home systems of choice. So now that we talked about all the specs, let's go ahead and get this thing installed.
Miles away, and I don't know which way to go. The star's so bright it lights the way, but I don't know where I belong. And where were you when it went dark, when the highway split in two? Do you remember who you are? 'Cause I still remember you.
One last step, Aqara also mentions that you should update the firmware of your device just to make sure that you're on the latest version so you don't have any bugs or anything else they may have fixed. So now that we got here, what about the software? So here you can see I'm in the Apple Home app, and I can go into the thermostat and go into the settings. It not only has adaptive temperature, but also energy. So this is one of the first devices utilizing Apple's adaptive temperature features. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out this thermostat. And for the energy, you can turn on the fact that it'll try to utilize clean energy. So it'll know what the status of the grid is and make adjustments based on that. So pretty cool features right in Apple Home from the Aqara thermostat. Another cool feature of this thermostat is the millimeter wave technology that allows it to stay asleep until you get close, and you can have it turn on based on the distance away. I have it set you have to be pretty darn close to turn it on, but it can sense whether or not there's presence in this room, which is key for our smart homes to create automations. And speaking of automations, you can't go past the Home Assistant integration. In Home Assistant, through Matter, this thermostat exposes a bunch of things. So we have the temperatures that it's set to, including the temperature that's currently at within the room. We have the humidity, occupancy, as I mentioned, temperature, which is a decimal place in this instance. We have firmware, hold time. So here you can see an automation I set up in Home Assistant. It's when the theater no longer detects presence for 10 minutes. Then what it does is it turns off all 3 lights in this room. So if it's vacant for a while, we don't waste electricity lighting a room without anybody in it. And because the Aqara W200 smart thermostat is a smart display, it integrates seamlessly, just seamlessly, with the Aqara security setup. I mean, you can utilize their G410 doorbell and see who's at the door. And then, based on just touching the screen here, you can trigger their U400 lock and unlock the front door for whoever's at the door. When you recognize them from the doorbell feed that you see right on the thermostat, you can touch the thermostat and unlock it. That's insane. Like, that's really cool. So is the W200 the ultimate control panel for a thermostat? I think so. It's a hub here. It can handle Zigbee and Thread devices, and it provides the HVAC setup with security features, and it integrates well with the other security devices that Aqara makes, which puts it into a league of its own. It's super sleek. I love the way it looks on the wall. Very functional. Integrates with Matter into Home Assistant and any of your other smart home platforms of choice, and provides all those cool functions in Apple Home. Let me know in the comments section below what you think about this thermostat. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.